Hi guys, today I will show you this very fall look, which is like a pumpkin. I'm going to start with Max 699. I already applied 2 layers of base before I start applying this color. As you can see, this is a very light mauve color. I picked this one as it is kind of fall, kind of nude, good for base, because I'm going to draw on top of it. So I wanted something that is not very opaque, that is not very strong. Hopefully this will make the pumpkin that I'm going to draw stand out. I wanted to try something different this time. I wanted to try doing like a decoration where I'm actually drawing, as majority of my other videos are just showing different techniques, stickers, foils, this type of not actually drawing type of decoration that just requires like sticking something on top, or some like square, triangle elements, which are not the most the hardest one to do. But this one, you'll see, I'll draw a pumpkin. Of course, don't imagine something major. It will be a very simple, beginner friendly one, because I want everyone to be able to enjoy these videos and to take something out of them. I'm not a professional nail technician, so what I do is just my experience that I've learned from internet, from friends, from places that I've been to do my own nails, and mainly from trying, trial and error kind of method is what taught me. I feel like this might not be the best way of learning, but if you're not trying or planning to be a professional technician, nail technician, then it is probably not worth the money to get a course for it. I mean, yeah, maybe it is if you have them, but I don't feel like it is necessary for me at this point in time. So as you can see here, I'm mixing these two colors to get this kind of dark orange, like a pumpkin color basically. I'm also going to use these brushes, like a flat brush where I'm going to apply the color, and a thin one for the lines. Also, I'm going to use this black paint to contour around the pumpkin and make all the lines and stuff. So as you can see, I'm going to start with the thin brush. I just want to outline the pumpkin, like where it is going to be, just make the lines before I start applying the color, and because this way I have more precision. So once I've outlined it, I'm going to do it like a shape of a heart, well, semi-heart, just the top part of a heart. Just make the top part of a heart. This is not going to be a full pumpkin, this is going to be just like a half pumpkin. And once I've applied those heart shapes, I'm going to put some paint on my flat brush and apply that. As you can see, I've got some trouble with working with these colors, and overall acrylic paint, oh god, I would say it worked nicely, it looked pretty, but I'm not sure if it's the best thing to do. Maybe I didn't do a good job of figuring out how to use it, but it wasn't lasting long. I don't know if possibly we should have wiped the sticky layer first or something like this, but we faced some trouble with the time that it lasted. In a few days it just fell off, like just the pumpkin part. so I had to fix this by using normal polishes to redecorate it. I bought like another orange color and some black, and I repainted it on top. I don't know why. I've seen people do this in the salon, and if you know what the reason is for this not to last long, just let me know. Maybe I should have wiped the sticky layer. I think this is the only thing that I didn't do that could have caused the issue. But as you can see here, I've made sure it is all nicely covered and it doesn't have any patchy side or anything like this. So now I'm going to get some of the black one, because I'm about to draw the black lines. Meanwhile, I leave the brown pumpkin color to dry, because you need to let it dry for a little bit before you apply the next color. It's just important, otherwise everything smudges together and it's not good. So see, I'm checking if it's dry. Yeah, it is dry, so let's start with applying this. Again, I'm really not sure what happened here and why this wasn't long lasting. It's kind of upsetting me, because I really enjoyed how it looked, and I was thinking, oh, this is a brilliant idea. I'm going to be able to use this for a lot of my decorations, because everyone, you know, acrylics are very affordable. They're not like buying a bunch of gel polishes, which are kind of expensive. So you can see I'm outlining right there, still at the V heart shape, and then I'm going to drag this down just to make sure I'm getting to like this pumpkin thing, just like this. And then I'm gonna add some more lines, and this will be just like my half pumpkin. I wanted to start with an easy design. I didn't want to go into something really complicated for my first try, because obviously I want to be realistic. I don't want to be like, oh yeah, anything, you can do anything. Like, yeah, nail technicians do this and they do amazing drawings like on nails, like on paper, but this is completely new for me, and as I said, I'm not professional, so I wanted to stick to something simple that will just look good, will, you know, be kind of cute, but at the same time not too hard to do. So I'm gonna draw this little branch. I'm not sure if it's called branch, but basically the sticky part of the pumpkin, like this. Very adorable, and just a little touch of a green leaf, so it can kind of look like an actual pumpkin. You know, details are key. If you put little details here and there and you care about the details, then of course your project would look good, because details is what makes something more likable than other stuff. And I was very happy with how these details went. I'm really sorry that in here you can't see perfectly what is happening. My light is not perfect, so I hope you can see on the pictures that I'm going to put in what actually is the final result, but unfortunately you cannot see exactly what I'm doing. But basically I'm just making like a little circle shape and dragging it down towards the pumpkin. So this is the top coat I'm gonna put, but first I'm gonna let it dry, because I'm gonna make sure I don't smudge it once I apply the top coat. It's very weird how it wasn't long lasting, but as I said, I feel like we made a mistake by not removing the sticky layer. I've seen other nail technicians doing that, and yeah, I should have done that as well, but I fixed my mistake later with a normal nail polish. And now 3 weeks in, this is still a good look. This is still looking fresh, and is working fine. So very impressed with that. No, actually it's 3 weeks in, 3 weeks since this has been done. So very happy. As you can see, this is the final result. I hope you liked it, and please consider subscribing for my channel. Thanks for watching. Bye.